What would I do if I had to start my print-on-demand business all over again? It scares me to think about it because clearly the market is a harder one now, but it's still possible. And here is everything I would do, from what websites to sell on, to what marketing I would do, to what designs I would make. Let's do this. Print on demand is a business where you sell items that aren't printed until you make an order. You work with a company that handles all the printing and fulfillment, making this a very low barrier of entry business to get into. Number one, what websites would I sell on? I would focus my attention at the start on Merch by Amazon, Etsy connected to Printful, Gelato and Awkward Styles, and eBay. I've picked Amazon because of its huge customer base. The profit isn't high, but the volume is, and it's not complicated at all. I picked Etsy with 3 printing partners, mainly because Printful is great for printing in the UK and Europe, Awkward Styles is great for the US and their quality of print and product is superior to anything I've tried, and I picked Gelato because of their wide range of different products, like posters. As well as that, they're also probably the best at worldwide shipping. I picked eBay because it has a lot of traffic and it's just a totally different audience from the other platforms. I'd also start my own website once sales started coming in on the other platforms. Number 2, what items would I sell? Pause the video here and see if you can guess what items I would sell in the comments. I would sell t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, mugs, and posters. I know it sounds very random, but let me quickly go through why. I would obviously sell t-shirts and hoodies because, well, it's the most popular product and it just makes sense to sell the most popular product. I sell stickers because they're very cheap, so they wouldn't be a big profit margin for me, but for someone who wants to buy my design but maybe can't afford the mug or the t-shirt, well, they could get the sticker. And I'd sell posters to be my high ticket item, because with posters, you can actually make quite a lot of money because the profit margin is really good. Number 3, what marketing would I do? Well, this depends on budget. Would I run ads or would I just try and go down the organic route? If I was to run ads, there are so many places that I could do that. You have Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads. They all have really good advertising platforms. For me, I would focus on TikTok ads. They're still very new and I think they have really good potential. As well as that, I would also do Instagram ads. I would also do influencer marketing, and this isn't to just get sales, but this would be to actually build up my own social media platforms so that down the line I could start advertising to my audience and start getting organic sales without having to spend any money. I would do influencer marketing on Instagram and TikTok, and I would also try and do collaborations with people on Instagram and TikTok to try and build up my audience. Of course, there's always the free traffic that comes with eBay, with Amazon, and with Etsy. Number 4, what designs would I do? I would do a lot of text-based designs with different fonts and graphics sprinkled in. I would try and make them funny or mean something to the person buying it. I wouldn't just design for the sake of designing. I would spend far more time researching what people would wear and what people are buying, and then design based on that. Rather than create demand for something, I'd rather fill demand that is already there. I would also try and stick to an overall artistic style. Rather than just do designs totally randomly, it would be cool if they matched a bit. This might not be the best idea because you're limiting yourself, but I think it could be quite good if you're wanting to build your business as a whole and not just have one-hit wonders. Number 5, what tools would I use, if any? I would use 4 main tools. I would use Canva for putting the designs together. It's so versatile, so powerful, and honestly, it's just user-friendly and easy. I would use Vexels to come up with ideas, get inspiration, and download some templates. I would use the Pretty Merch research tool to see what's selling, what keywords are being used, what's trending, and just how the market is doing in general. I would also use their trademark search tool, as it searches all the databases in different countries with one search, so it would save me a ton of time. And the last tool I'd use is Placeit. This would be to generate the best looking mockups on the planet. Their library is so huge. Starting again would be hard, no doubt, but it's certainly possible. And if you maybe just commit 1 hour a day to your print-on-demand business or side hustle, you can definitely make it work. Now, if you're wanting to start a print-on-demand business or you already have one, but you want to see the step-by-step process, not just this, then you've got to check this video out here where I tell you exactly step by step how you would start a successful print-on-demand business. Go check it out.